महफिल कुछ खास याद रहेगी, दोस्तों की हर एक बात याद रहेगी। पलट कर कभी तो देखेंगे इन रास्तों को, पलट कर कभी तो देखेंगे इन रास्तों को, ये स्कूल की जिंदगी हमेशा याद रहेगी।
Before starting my speech, I would like to make a small announcement. I would like to invite our respected teachers onto the stage to take this small token of love and gratitude. For this, I would like to invite Rudba. Though the gift may be small, but it comes from the bottom of our hearts. I would like to invite Javed sir, Bashir sir and Amin sir to kindly come onto the stage. Give them a big round of applause, please. Rudba.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। तो मैं अपनी तरफ से मोहतरम अजला साहब और पीर नज़ीर साहब को, जो हमारी एडवाइज़री कमेटी के सरबराह है, इन्हें मदऊ करता हूँ कि वो यहाँ तशरीफ़ लाए, हमारी तरफ से ये आज़ाद करें। और मोहतरम अमीन साहब, सर ये हमारे मेहमान आ रहे हैं, वो रिसीव लेकर करते हैं, ठीक है। वो के लिए जगह भी रखी है। सर कितना ये बिल्कुल वीडियो उतर से राइट। आ जाओ।
I would like to invite our next four respected teachers onto the stage to take this small token of love and appreciation from us. So for this, I will invite Seerat here. I requested Sajjad sir and Ulfat sir come on the stage, please. Big round of applause for them. And now I would like to invite one of the most honorable, intelligent and inspiring teacher of our school. He was not only a teacher to us, but also like an elder brother, who guided, supported and motivated us at every step. He played a truly great role in our lives and became a role model for all of us. With immense respect and gratitude, I would like to invite Firdaus sir kindly come on the stage. Have a big round of applause for them.
Jazakallah khair.
I would like to invite Ayman on the stage to present a small gift to our juniors. Ayman, please. And myself. आज की महफिल कुछ खास याद रहेगी, दोस्तों की हर एक बात याद रहेगी। पलट कर कभी तो देखेंगे इन रास्तों को, पलट कर कभी तो देखेंगे इन रास्तों को, ये स्कूल की जिंदगी हमेशा याद रहेगी। Respected principal sir and all the guests and teachers and their juniors, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today is very emotional day for all of us. It feels strange that the place which became our second home is now the place from where we have to say goodbye. These classrooms, these corridors, the laughter with friends, and guidance of our teachers will always stay in our hearts. First of all, I would like to thank you, our respected teachers. You were not only our teachers, but also our guides, supporters, and sometimes even our second
parents. Thank you for your patience, your encouragement, and for believing in us even when we doubted ourselves. आपकी डांट में भी मोहब्बत नजर आई, आपकी डांट में भी मोहब्बत नजर आई, आपकी तालीम से ही हमारी पहचान बन पाई. And now for my friends, thank you for every moment, every memory, every silly moment, and every time we supported each other. Without you, all this school would have been just a building, but you made it feel like a home. Thank you so much. There were times when study feels difficult, when we failed, when we felt tired. But today, I realized that every struggle taught us something valuable. Success does not come from luck alone. It comes from hard work, patience, and never giving up. मेहनत इतनी खामोशी से करो क्या, मेहनत इतनी खामोशी से करो क्या, कामयाबी शोर मचा दे. And to our juniors, I just want to say one thing: never lose hope. Because of marks or failures, one bad result does not describe our future. Believe yourself, respect your teachers, respect your parents, and keep working hard. Time changes and so do situations. Enjoy your school life because one day you will miss even these ordinary moments. कल न हम होंगे न गिला होगा, कल न हम होंगे न गिला होगा, सिर्फ सिमटी हुई यादों का सिलसिला होगा. Lastly, I want to thank this school for giving us memories, lessons, friendships, and confidence that we will carry forever. Though we are leaving today, a part of our heart will always remain here. Thank you, everyone. May Allah bless you and give success to each and every student here. Now, I would like to conclude this beautiful speech with a sha'r. हमारे बाद महफिलों में अफसाने बयां होंगे, हमारे बाद महफिलों में अफसाने बयां होंगे, बहारें हमको ढूंढेगी न जाने हम कहाँ होंगे. Now I would like to invite Aqsa on the stage. Aqsa, please.